You know what? Yeah, big ups to everyone. Big ups to everyone. Yeah, big ups to everyone. I mean, this Madrid fan out here. I mean, I like your composure. I mean, you just said you want to see us defend. Do you really want to see us defend? Really?
Yeah.
You want to see the you want to see the dark arts come to life today? You really want to see us defend?
Yeah.
I mean, just check. Check the big teams we've played this season.
Yeah, but
and how we've defended against them properly. I mean, you're not going to score goals at all. Actually, I do think you have a more bigger chance if in open play, if you see us open up and try to come out to score a goal or two.
Tony,
that's where you get any chance.
Tony, you are not keeping. I do not see you guys keeping a clean sheet. Not at the Bernabeu. Not this time. This time, I think we will score.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Because most of your fans said you were going to put 3-4 goals past us.
I didn't. I said
at the Emirates. I mean, you didn't care.
I said it was you, but I do not see.
You said it was going to be a draw. Good, good and okay. Good and okay. See, you know what? Yeah, I mean, I like your person, no problem. But this is the thing, yeah. Kivio, that's a defender I don't rate. Guys in the charts, you guys know me, bro. I say my thing and I leave. See, you know what? Yeah, Kivio, I do not respect that defender at all. Do you know what? Gabriel got injured. He came in. In fact, I disrespect Kivio. I don't like him as a defender. He's not my kind of defender. I don't like it. I don't think he has the skill set to actually grace that shirt he's wearing right now of Arsenal Football Club. But you know what? Your biggest strikers, yeah, the ones you guys like calling the world-class players. I mean, Northside. I've seen Northside say world-class players. I mean, that's what Northside told me. World-class players. I mean, the way he talked about these world-class players, and you couldn't get behind Kivio. What makes you feel like you're gonna?
No, actually, they did. That's actually incorrect.
When at home without match fit.
Hold on, Tony. Who did I call world class? Hold on. Who did I call world class before you start saying some crazy?
He's talking about Mbappe and these guys. He's talking about these.
Who did I say was world class? Go on.
He's talking about Mbappe and these.
I mean,
world class.
Oh, so you never called Mbappe world class? You never called Mbappe world class? You never called Vinicius world class?
Never called him world class.
Okay, all right. Okay, no problem. If you say you did, bro, I got the receipts. I got the receipts. You don't want me coming down here with receipts. Shout out to the brother in the middle. Big up to you, man. I've seen you in a couple of streams. Mad respect for you. Even if you've critiqued me unfairly, even without gracing a show with me, you know, but no problem. It's all love. It's all love down here. Because I saw you laughing at my talk about Kai Havertz.
Set me up.
All of that. Right now, no one has outscored Kai Havertz right now. And you didn't really understand what I was trying to talk about. I was trying to say that he's the best out of the shit we have, but you didn't get that perspective, so no problem. But I do respect you. I just want to tell you that I do respect you, and I knew you laughed me off when I said we're gonna beat Real Madrid. But guess who's laughing now? No one is laughing now. No one is laughing now. And finally, you also now have the belief that we can go there and go to the semi-finals. That's all I'm talking about. But I respect you, though. I just want you to know that.
Do you have the belief that we can win it, Tony? Because that's the most important thing. Can we win it? Can we win it, Tony?
Yeah.
Bro, what are you talking about? What are you talking? So, do you have any shred of respect for any of all these European teams right now? No, no, guys. Let's check this factually. Do you still have any iota of respect for any of these European teams apart from Inter Milan? Yeah. Did you see what happened to Barcelona yesterday?
Yeah,
did you see what happened to PSG yesterday?
They were falling off.
I'll be scared if we face Aston Villa in the semi-finals, because I know we can beat Aston Villa in the semi-finals. I know.
Can we win the Champions League? Yes or no? Just answer.
If we played Brentford in the semi-finals, we won't beat them. But against these European teams, oh my days, bro, I release my chances. Wait, PSG, I release my chances.
Bro, all this talk, bro, yeah, you better than go and win it, then, man. Otherwise, they will go for nothing.
You believe that we can beat Real Madrid, but you're worried about Aston Villa.
Bro, I just give you perspectives to that. No, did you listen to the perspectives? Because Arsenal, see, but again, there's a downturn in European football. You know it, I know it. This Real Madrid team isn't the Real Madrid. Bro, we have a Madridista down here. He'll tell you it's a shadow of the team last season. It's even more worse than the team 2 seasons ago. Bro, they have an aging Modric. Bro, if I'm lying to you, please call me out in my lies. The Madridista will have here. I'm sorry, I don't know your name. But
Tony,
I do perceive you.
Tony, answer the question I'm making towards you. That's all I'm asking, because you're deflecting, talking about all this stuff. You don't fear Real Madrid, but you fear Aston Villa, all this stuff. I'm asking you, yeah, because we ain't won it yet. Are we going to win the Champions League? Yes or no answer. I don't need a long answer. Yes or no. Is Arsenal going to win the Champions League? Yes or no?
Okay, can I just answer it like this? There's a team I genuinely fear. No, let's go like this.
Yes or no?
No, let's go like this. I mean, in my own, you want me to come out and say black and white, and it doesn't.
No, I'm gonna meet you, yeah, because you're the one. We've all been sitting there saying, "Yo, we could do a thing, like, yo, we should be able to beat Real Madrid. We got 3-0 up." No one's cussing the team. You've come in with this whole, yeah, you man were laughing at me. We've already done the show. We've already told you, cool. First leg, you were right, cool, no problem. Now you're coming up with a hype, cool. If you got so much chest, yeah, yes or no. Stop doing the politician thing. Stop telling me scenarios and doing the egal thing where you want to tell me a bedtime story. Are we going to win the Champions League? Yes or no, please? Thank you. With full chest, with the same chest you enter the stream. Yes or no?
See, man, let me give you perspective to what I'm talking about.
There you go.
No, let me give you perspective. No, let me give you a perspective. Let me give you a perspective. No, let me give you a perspective.
No, stop, no, because no one was sending for you. No one was saying anything about you. You came in with bare chest, about, you see, you man were laughing at me. Cool. If you have so much confidence in this team and in this manager, then just say it and let your words be your words. Will we win the Champions League? Yes or no?
Then it was all for nothing.
Yes or no?
No. Can I give you perspectives to that?
No,
can I give you perspectives to that?
Keywords.
No, okay, good. See, there is a team I do respect in this Champions League, and that's Inter Milan, because they defend compactly. They have as much resources in the middle of the pitch. I mean, they can stifle offenses. And again, they do have one thing that we don't have, which is the quality striker. They do have Martinez. I seriously fear Inter Milan. But Inter Milan, if we're going to face all these other clowns down there in Europe, I mean, we're going to smash them up. I'm sorry. Inter Milan is the only team I really do fear right now because of how they defend in the middle of the park. And they do have a striker, and Arsenal don't really have a striker.
You think you're going to smash Barca?
Yeah.
Oh my word. Tony, you have not got a clue what Barcelona is this season, bro. Bro, I hate
the Barcelona I saw yesterday against Dortmund.
Yeah,
are you serious?
That Barcelona team was 4-0 up in the first leg. The tie was done. They didn't need to go all out. The tie was done. You played that game. You look at the first leg that they played against Dortmund. They ripped them apart. I hate Barca. I can't stand them, bro. They get to that final, bro. They'll win it. The only team I see stopping Barca is Inter Milan, broski. That's the only team I see stopping them.
Yeah, so we're on the same page. We're on the same page on the Inter Milan issue. So, I fear Inter Milan. You fear Inter Milan. They have a bit more quality than any of our teams. So, I mean, it's Inter Milan, innit? But again, they only beat us with only 1-0. So we still have a chance to,
go
there and fight again.
Tony, Inter Milan played their second team against you lot. I don't think people really grasp that. They played their second team. They didn't even play their first team. Northside will tell you. Rashid will tell you. That was the second team, broski. They still kept a clean sheet.
No, they have a manager.
Bro, it's a Champions League. Bro, it doesn't matter. It's not a league game. It's a Champions League. high stakes, high rewards in Europe. So it doesn't matter with who you come with at the end of the day. It matters about the results. And they got the results, and that's what matters.
I get that, but wait for the second leg to finish now, yeah, before you go into saying, because again, we saw what happened yesterday. Like some crazy shit can happen in it. So let's calm and just wait.
No. Wait, but when you're saying that, then you are still harboring some certain kind of chest. And I think you should be the last person having chest down here, Madrid. You should be the last person having chest. I mean, do you want to see a repeat? Do you want to see a repeat of what happened to David Alaba? Are you that wicked that you want to see what happened to David Alaba and Emirates happen again?
The fuck did I call? No, sir.
Do you want to see? Do you want what happened to Vinicius Jr. happen again?
No, because
don't do this, my brother. Don't do this.
Now you've said a lie about me that ain't true, bro. When the fuck did I come out and have chest? I'm telling you.
No. That's how I talk. No. Don't take it out of context. That's how I talk.
He's a cool guy. He's a good context.
No, that's how I talk. I don't mean you to say. I'm talking of Madrid fans. Don't get worked up. Welcome to the Tony Claude.
Tony Claude
stuff
show.
I do. I'm sorry, man.
I've never spoken to you before. Maybe that's why
I was talking. You took over the show. You came in.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
Shout out to the guy that made Maggie's, because that's the only thing that's keeping, you know what I'm saying? Like, I thought I was going to have a nice time. I thought I was going to meet North, the man them, and talk about the game or whatever. I didn't know that you were going to come in today and you shocked us. You know, you came in swinging. You came in swinging, and it's not, today is not for it. Today, we're on the same page. We're going to Real Madrid. We get that little, whatever's going to happen there, and we go through the semi-final. Then we'll talk, Tony, okay? Can we be friends for now? Can we be friends?
Again, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. But a couple of streams ago, you totally didn't believe in this team to actually get a win against Real Madrid. So I'm glad you're changing your mind in that. And that's not Top Gunner shit. I'm just saying that will beat Real Madrid. That's not Top Gunner shit.
No, sir. I want.
Okay, so do you think that plays into your hands then? If we sit,
yeah. Because that's all I want. I want you guys to do that, because at some point I think we will break it down. And if we get one, I think we can unlock the second one, and then obviously more and more.
Okay, Tony, what do you make it out? What do you make it out?
I know, sir. I've got
brother.
I'm getting ready for the game. I'll catch the Ghana to emergency, right?
Oh, please don't go. Please don't go. Just 1 minute. Please don't go. Just 1 minute.
I've got help.
Just one. Oh, please, just give me 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
All right,
just 1 minute.
I'll give you the minute.
Brother, please. You said something here. You said you're hoping we play a low block. Yeah. And it will play into your hand somehow with hocus pocus. Can you please just remind me of the last time above 2 goals went into the Arsenal net last season? When was the last time? I did my homework on Real Madrid. Yeah. That's how I know you guys are going to lose this game. So when was the last time Arsenal conceded more than 2 goals?
Hold on, let's get something clear. You don't know for a fact what I don't know for a fact we will win. I'm giving you my prediction only. It was Luton last season that you, man, conceded 3 goals to. But I know as well.
How many years ago? That's 2 seasons ago. That's 2 seasons ago.
Okay, hold on. So that
means that so we can defend. So don't shit on our defense like that.
So you're saying by that logic, there is 0 chance we can score 0, like 0 chance. There's no chance in the universe we can score 3. Is that what you're saying?
Bro, I'm sorry. Is there still respect in the Bernabeu? Real Sociedad came into your yard and scored 4 goals.
That's not why I asked you. Again,
Real Sociedad came in and scored 4 goals. And that's in a Copa del Rey semi-final. Guys up this season. Atletico Madrid. Bro, Athletic Bilbao smashed you up. This guy, bro, come on, man. It's Tale of Woos. Valencia did it just recently. What are we talking about?
Guess what?
Lille smashed you up this season. Do you still have any respect? Even at home.
Guess what?